warm good morning to our listeners. We are the students of class 12, Spring Meadows Public School, and we are going to present our debate on Sikkim's One Family, One Job scheme. Hello and a very warm welcome. You are watching Young India Face Off. And the big breaking is that the Chief Minister of Sikkim, Mr. Pawan Chamling, on Saturday launched the One Family, One Job scheme, under which they provide employment of one member of every family. We will discuss this scheme in brief, taking both the sides, positive sides as well as the negative side. But before getting you to the debate, we want to make an appeal to all its viewers to stay safe from COVID-19 pandemic. Wear face masks, wear them properly, wash your hands and face regularly, and maintain social distancing while stepping outside. Remember, these very simple precautions are all that it takes to defeat the pandemic. Now, on this special discussion over the next 6 minutes, I will ask students and the politicians about this scheme, how it is beneficial for the youth of Sikkim. I will first introduce my guest, Aman Chaudhary from the immediate right, leader of Sikkim Krantikari Morcha, and flanking him, Piyush Mishra. He is the student in Sikkim University, and by the right, he is a counter violence as well on the show. For a perspective, we had joined. By the corner, I will start from Shrey Garg. He is the student currently studying in SKM University, and flanking him, Mr. Anurag Jha, who is a social worker in Sikkim. So my first question is from Aman. Can you elaborate the scheme? How it is beneficial for the youth of Sikkim? Opening comment from SKM leader Aman Chaudhary.
The vision of the government under this scheme to provide employment to a member of every family which does not have a government job in the state. We would revoke all the loan debts in the farming and agriculture sector under this scheme.
Okay, Aman, I want to ask Piyush Mishra, do you agree with Aman Chaudhary's comment?
Yeah, Mr. Harris, obviously. I'm in the favor of a SKM leader. According to me, this scheme is better and proved to be beneficial for these families who are not able to get government job, and it also provide them job securities.
Okay, let's move on to the left side for a counter. I will start from Anurag Jha by asking, do you really think it is beneficial or not?
Actually, I was saying that, and I think it's a very important point too. Let's suppose if in a family all the members are very talented and are able to crack the government jobs very easily. As stated by Aman Chaudhary, the leader of SKM, he said that only one of a family member is going to be have a government job in the future in the state. So my question comes to the point that how would the general public of Assam would
Okay, okay, Anurag, let's move on to Shrey Gupta who wants to say something. Yes, Shrey, please.
I think the government should do some changes in this scheme. Due to the corruption, it might be possible that each and every family does not even get a single job opportunity under this scheme.
Okay, I'm out of time on this show. You have heard the students and the politician from both the sides. I found this is to be a stimulating topic. I hope so did you. I want to thank all these people for joining us and for provoking the stimulating topic and taking it largely sane and sensible. You decide who won, the left one of the day or the right one. Tell us what do you think. Thank you very much for tuning in.